As a gynecologist, people ask me a lot about how they use condoms appropriately, which makes me so happy. Vulva owners and women really need to make sure that they are taking control. We leave it up to men way too much. So look at Lovability's packaging. We're going to talk about this, but every condom box should come with instructions. Many don't, but look at this. Let's get it on. It's actually cute and cheeky. The condom, that is. The buttercup packaging makes it much easier because the important points when you're putting on a condom, you want to make sure it's being put on the right way. You want the tip to actually have some space so that when he ejaculates, the semen collects. This could not be easier. You open this up and it's right there for you in the right direction. You put this on the shaft of the penis, pinching the tip so that you make sure there's still space. Roll that down, and when you're done, you know that the semen is in there. You can unroll it and throw it away. You also have to check the expiration date. It's right here on our package. So all of the steps that are really valuable and important for you to be in control of how this enters into your body, on your vulva, in your vagina. This is the one to get.